Today, we have a chief guest on the celebration of 74th Independence Day, Colonel P.S. Raju. Very proudly, I would like to invite you, sir, to give us a valuable message.
Good morning to everybody. I am Colonel P.S. Raju, retired. I am addressing you from Trivandrum. As you all are aware, today our country is celebrating her 74th Independence Day. As you all know that India attained freedom from British on 15 August 1947. We are aware that these freedom fighters worked hard and put their soul, and they put their sacrifice, made us to achieve freedom from the British rule. As we used to celebrate this Independence Day in a very ceremonial and meritorious way, but due to today's prevailing situation of COVID-19, we are celebrating in a very limited way, and we are not in a position as we used to do it earlier. You are aware that as on today, the country is facing a lot of challenges across the international borders. Few months back, you are aware that 20 of our soldiers laid their lives to fight for the country on the eastern border. And we are indebted to their sacrifice, and the entire nation is paying tribute for their loss of life. This year, we all know that we are again involved in lot of challenges across our western border also, and soldiers are fighting for the counter-insurgency operations also, as well as they are looking after the eastern border. We are facing the Chinese border. Together with this, the country also having internal problems, and to keep this country's sovereignty, we are having a big challenge to face all these events. At this occasion, I would specifically mention that we must pay special tribute to our soldiers who lost their life to keep the integrity and sovereignty of the nation. As students, I would appreciate that the younger generation is the growth of our country, and right from the beginning, if you inculcate the habit of building the nation by individual and collectively, the nation will become strong and it will be able to face any challenges across the border, where it is and the western, that is our adversary is Pakistan, or in the east or northwest, northeast is adversary as China. Together we have to also having challenges with our internal problems as we are having in various states. So at the end, we must all work for the betterment of the country to make the country stronger and more robust and happier in all future events of any events which will affect our country. Jai Hind.